Hey everyone, welcome to Step 5 of your Global Sustainability Science Fair project, presenting your solution. This is it, your chance to share everything you've worked on. Your ideas, your process, your final solution, it's all coming together in a presentation that brings your vision to life. So why does this step matter? Because this is your moment to shine. Your presentation is how you'll communicate your project to the judges, your peers, and the GSSF community. A strong, clear presentation shows not only what you built, but how you thought, why it matters, and what kind of impact it could have. Think of it as your project's final form. What you will create. Here's what you'll be making. A recorded video that's no longer than 5 minutes. It should include a slideshow with visuals and your voice narrating each part. Do not show your face, just your voice and your work. These videos will be shown during the final GSSF Fair on August 1st. This is your chance to tell the story of your solution clearly, confidently, and creatively. Tools you can use on a Mac. If you're working on a Mac, here's how you can get started. Create your slides in Keynote, Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Prezi. To record your screen, use QuickTime Player. Go to File, New Screen Recording. You can edit your video in iMovie, which is free on a Mac. When you're done, export your video as an MP4 file. Tools you can use on a PC. If you're on a PC, here's what works best. Make your slides in PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, or Prezi. You can record your screen using PowerPoint, Slideshow, and then click Record Presentation. Or try Xbox Game Bar by pressing Window plus G keys. For editing, use Clipchamp, which comes built into most Windows computers. Again, export the final video as an MP4 file. Your presentation structure slide by slide. Let's break down what your presentation should include slide by slide. The first slide should be a title slide, where you include your name or group members and the name of your solution. The second slide should be the problem slide. What issue are you solving and why does it matter? The third slide is your solution slide. Describe your invention or process clearly. The fourth slide should be the science behind it slide. Explain how it works step by step. And here's the second half of the presentation. The fifth slide should be how it evolves slide. Show how your design changed or improved over time. The sixth slide should be what makes it unique. What sets your idea apart from existing solutions? Next, the seventh slide should be testing plan. Explain how someone could test your solution in the real world. And finally, there should be a conclusion slide. Wrap it all up. What did you learn? What comes next? You can use more than one slide per section if you need to. Just keep things clear and focused, and keep the entire presentation to under 5 minutes. Tips for each slide. Here are some quick presentation tips. Keep text short and clear. Don't overload your slides. Use visuals, diagrams, sketches, screenshots of Tinkercad or charts. Practice out loud before recording so you're confident and smooth. Speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand you. You've done the hard work. This is just about sharing it clearly. Once your video is complete, submit it by email to research@fern-us.org. If the file is too large, share it through Google Drive or another cloud service. All videos will be shown during the GSSF Fair on August 1st. Make sure your submission is on time so it can be featured. Recap. What you need to do. Let's review. First, create your slideshow presentation. Next, record your voice presenting it. No face is required. Then, edit and export the video. Finally, submit it to research@fern-us.org by 11:59 p.m. on July 28th. That's your final project deliverable. Make it count. Approximate timeline for completing this step. You should be working on your presentation between July 26th and July 28th. This gives you time to plan, record, and make any edits before the deadline. And that's a wrap on Step 5. This is your chance to share your voice, your creativity, and your solution with the world. We can't wait to see what you've created. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to your mentor or email us at research@fern-us.org. You've made it through all 5 steps. See you at the fair!